I am creating 2 DIY videos at this time. I am creating the pumpkin wall decor, and then I'm going to create something different, but something for me. I want to make a napkin holder out of the Dollar Tree Happy Harvest truck plaques. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start my wood burner, and I am going to follow the lines that are in the paint job that is designed on these, and I'm going to burn the lines. I will score right here with the X-Acto knife this area and cut it off. So I'm making this the tail part of the truck. Now see my last video. I made my daughter a Happy Harvest fall centerpiece. But this one's going to be year-long. I'm going to paint it totally different color, but yet the same concept. And a little different in the body as well. But I want it to look rustic. I want the truck to look like it's rusting out. But the first thing I'm going to do is score and burn some lines to bring out these features when I apply the paint. So thanks for following along. This is still September 18th on a Wednesday, and I am on my second project right now, waiting for my wood burning knife to heat up. So I'm going to follow the line and score it as soon as it heats up. Okay? I have to put the camera down to do this job. So thanks for stopping in. Subscribe, and let's follow along. What this wood burning tool is creating for me is the area where the tread marks would show up on the truck, part of the plate, and then I'm going to go around the body. You see how this is painted? It's blue, and then it has what appears to be rust marks on the blue. That's what I am going to do when I add the burning line on this plaque. What will happen is the paint will sink into these lines and thus create a more detailed look on the trunk of this cute little napkin holder I'm going to make. So make sure you're in a ventilated area and follow where there would be an outline. Like right here, I'm going to do the very back of the truck bed, and then I just take the heat knife and then I just go right down the line here. Make sure you're in a ventilated area and there isn't any children or pets around. This does cause smoke and fumes and smell. So not everybody is going to do this, but it's an idea to pick up some more of these truck plaques while they last at Dollar Tree and make them into something else other than fall decorations. So let's continue. I'll have this back outlined before you know it. Okay, folks, I'm back. See how I outlined and burned in all these lines on the sign? Going to wipe it down and then paint it a light coat. And then I'll go from there. And yes, I have to still cut right here. Remember, if you're going to wood burn, be in a ventilated area. Keep your face and nose covered. All right, let's continue. Hello. While the tailgate is drying on the first or on the front portion of this DIY, I'm going to burn where the window would appear. And then I will prime and paint this side and prime and paint the back side. But first, I want to create a window right here. All right. Okay, I used a combination of Pop Art Pixies varnish and various colors of apple barrel, which is chocolate bar and territorial beige was the base coat, and nutmeg brown so far. I have yet to do the tires, and we'll see how this turns out when it dries. I just applied the paint, so when it's wet it's a different color than when it's dried. But so far it looks kind of rusty. That's what I want, is rust. Okay, let's wait for it to dry and see what I'm screwing the bed, not gluing it, using screws, screwing it together. Guaranteed to stay together. Perfect. Who would thought a Dollar Tree wall plaque could turn into a cool rustic truck? Now, I wanted to use this for a napkin holder for my kitchen table, but I'm not finished yet. I have to figure out how to add lights through these little tail decorations, tail end decorations that I created. I might even place some type of plate right there. I'm not sure. It'll last for a long time. All right, let's continue with Okay, when I made this cute little DIY 100% Dollar Tree washboard for my kitchen decor, I had a few of these silver, metal, corrugated tin pieces left. And here they are. Now, in order for this to match that and other kitchen decor ideas that I have completed in the past, and be sure to look for the videos, I'm going to place this up on the bed of the truck on both sides. I have two pieces left. Now I might have to adhere it to a popsicle stick. Now maybe I'll paint the popsicle stick too. But that's what I'm going to do with my leftover pieces. Always save your pieces from Dollar Tree. This is so cool. Okay, let's see what I do for the bed of the truck. Now I'm debating on my pattern and how this should look. Painted popsicle sticks or the Dollar Tree tongue suppressors. And now I'm just laying out a pattern. This would be inside the truck. So you just see the metal on the outside. Tricky. I have to think about it. Let's continue. And for those of you who wondered if I even completed the front part of the truck, yes, here it is. Yes, you can count on Miss Jones. I will finish the total complete project. And of course, this is sitting on the table, so I want the front to be decorated as much as the back. Here we have Ma with some leftover corrugated metal from Dollar Tree. This project is 100% Dollar Tree, other than the paints and the varnish and the imagination. And remember, these were the caps from the grease splatters protection covers that I purchased for the pumpkin wall decor that I made for myself and my daughter in the last video. Thanks for watching that video. Yep, this pixie varnish is really good with rustic projects when you're trying to create the look. It adds a little bit more of a varnish coat to the paint to make it appear highlighted and shadowed See how this is shadowed? So this would be the glass, right? And a dirty glass. And then place it around your painting to protect it. The only thing I have to do is highlight the thread marks here in the front, if I do that. I like how the back was when I scored it with the hot knife. I didn't do the front with the hot knife. So what do you think? There you go. Take care, subscribe, and see what I come up with next, because I have not a clue right now of any future plans for any more projects. And I have not been feeling well lately. My doctor keeps switching my medicines on me, and it just wears me down. I feel like a guinea pig sometimes. Anyhow, here she is. Take care. Stay healthy. Have a great day. Bye. Hello there. September 19th, 2019. 9/19/19. DIY rustic truck made with 100% Dollar Tree items. Use it for your napkin and salt and pepper shaker holder for your table. Or create a harvest centerpiece. And then in the winter, create a Christmassy, holiday, wintry centerpiece. Then in the spring, add St. Patrick's Day, Easter decor. And in the summer, add a flag and 4th of July. All season, rustic truck. Made by Miss Jones at Legacy's Little Luxuries, Arts and Crafts, YouTube. See ya!